We don't hear your sound.
Okay, now do you hear me?
Microphone
Here.
open.
You can hear me, right?
Now,
Okay.
now I hear.
So, Batul, you don't have student with you, right?
Jemai, my student now in the science exam. So I listen only you, okay?
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, we will have another workshop. Okay, so no problem.
Okay.
So I will start recording. So we will have just our colleagues will introduce the apps, and my student they will have some comment about the invention. Okay, because we decided to create an application on Android. We will make a workshop to teach students about machine learning. I wanna just share my screen. حاولي ترجع تدور البستان بعدين سينارة شغالة ولا بالضبط لا من غاد مستان كثيرة كثيرة كثيرة. Okay. So I will start recording. English. English, yes. English, Turkey. Spoken language. Select the correct language to ensure the use of each other. Spoken language or English. Confirm. So I want to share my screen. So we'll start the first invention. We'll start the first invention. Okay, yes. Just give you feedback about this invention. Hello, everyone. much. So now we will just give some opinion of our student about the invention selected. But after that, good morning, Kamal.
I'm fine. How are you? The sound is not clear.
Oh, the sound is not clear.
Yes. Now it's better. Now.
Now it's better.
Now it's better. Yes. Yes.
So, Kamal, I will just some of my students. They will give opinion of the invention selected. But after that, we will give you to give your student idea about the application, Android application.
Okay. Okay. I I start. I start or you, another one.
Yeah, Kamal, just my student will give just opinion about the first
Uh,
project selected.
okay. Okay. Your
Did eventually. So, can you start, please? Have a problem in
Invention 1 is biodegradable smart balance, absorbing pants, pollution absorbing smart pants.
So the sound is clear.
Yes. Now it's clear. Yes.
Now would you give me just the attention to the of the invention? Okay.
There is advantages.
No, I can't hear you.
There is advantages and disadvantages. So that's the active charcoal.
I can't hear you. You will never hear it like this.
There is advantages and disadvantages.
So now just start with the advantages, okay? And raise your voice, please. Okay.
For the advantages, the transfer concept is a biodegradable plant that absorbs CO2 and pollution from the air. Material activated charcoal, edge matter particle, and eco-friendly beams. Improve air quality, reduce urban pollutants, and promote sustainable architecture.
Okay, now what about the advantages?
What is advantages? Reduce air pollution by absorbing CO2 and harmful pollutant, eco-friendly and biodegradable, promotion sustainable urban design, enhancing air quality by funding public health and the environment.
Okay, so the problem here is advantage. What's the biggest problem? Okay.
The first of acceptable carcass. It's
I can't understand. Just talk slowly, okay? And raise your voice because we have problem with sound on the computer.
the problem.
Yeah, biggest problem here.
The price of activated
The
carbon.
price, you mean the price? It's very expensive. So
So it's from 450 milligram. It's $120. $120.
yeah. So it needs the charcoal material. It needs $120. Okay, for only 250 milligrams. So it's very expensive. It's a huge prices to create this invention. So for us, the first invention we can't create because of the highest price of a material. Okay, so now please, anyone want to give a suggestion about the invention or new idea? Okay, so before we move to Pioneer School student, okay, to talk about their proposal, okay, about the application, awareness application on Android, okay, with that inventor as is a curriculum in now integrate in our computer science program in Tunisia. Yes, Khawla? Khawla, please. So, is one of you student? Yes, no, just one student give us, just we don't have enough time, okay, as is Ramadan and we don't have full hour. We have only 55 minutes, okay, 45 minutes. So please, Khawla, just one student to talk, okay? Just one student to present to the whole groups, okay? Leila Khawla, لكن we will try to translate this. Okay, Mr. Kamal, there is no one of your students can translate this. Okay, this proposal, okay? Would you repeat your proposal, please? Khawla. يمكن نجم يعاود. Yeah, slowly, okay? Okay, okay. So we will preserve the
Okay.
environment.
We want to. Yes.
Yeah, Kamal,
We want.
please.
Okay. We want to preserve our nature and wildlife using the AI, artificial intelligence. We can create an artificial trees in order to preserve.
Okay, that's really a good idea. So Kamal, please. So now is your turn, your student turn, okay, to talk about their proposal. Batul, before we move to you, Kamal, Batul, do you have any proposal? Batul, hello? Okay, Kamal, you start, please. One of your students start the proposal, okay, talking about their ideas.
Okay. Okay. Our project will be to collect data. The second stage, in order to recognize images of plants and animals. Then we will integrate this model, this artificial intelligence model, to a mobile app in order to recognize with our phones trees, for example, animals, and wildlife objects. Now, my students will present this project. First, let's begin by collecting data, how we can collect data for our project. Let's reverse the camera. Okay. Okay, let's speak a little bit about how we will collect data.
Collect data.
صوت عالي.
To collect data, we can go outside with
Please, could
cameras
you,
and
Kamal, tell your student please just to repeat and raise her voice a little bit that we can hear it clearly here, okay?
اوكي حاول تتكلم بصوت عالي مش يوصل.
To collect data, we go outside with cameras and smartphones to take many photos of animals, plants, and forests. We also ask people to share their photos with us. All these are pieces of a big puzzle that help our computer learn about our nature. You can think of it as creating a huge photo album of our beautiful wildlife.
We will collect data using, for example, images and photo, for example, from Tunisia, from Turkey, from Serbia. Then we will use these picture as an input for our model to train a model that recognizes wildlife, animals, and also plants. Okay, let's now speak a little bit about the mobile app now, which will be created with App Inventor, which is a block-based mobile application development. It's easy to use for students. Okay, Yasmin, let's speak a little bit about mobile app using App Inventor to integrate our model.
So hi, I'm Yasmin. My job is to explain how we build the mobile app using App Inventor. And App Inventor is a tool that works like Lego blocks for making apps. First, we put the smart computer model that we train it into our app. Then we design a simple screen with buttons and pictures so that when someone takes a photo, the app can tell them.
Slowly. Slowly.
Then we design a simple.
Slowly. واحدة.
App Inventor is a tool that works like Lego blocks for making apps. First, we put the smart computer model that we train it into our app. Then we design a simple screen with buttons and pictures so that when someone takes a photo, the app can tell them what animal or plant it is. This app makes it easy for everyone to learn about Janduba's wildlife and helps us to protect nature. Our project is a fun way to save nature. We collect photos from the wild, teach our computer to recognize them, and make an app that shows the magic of wildlife. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy our project as much as we do.
Okay, very good, Yasmin. This is the mobile app using App Inventor. But before integrating our artificial intelligence, how we will train our model in order to recognize plants and animals? Mustafa, can you explain for us how we can train a model, or what is artificial intelligence that we will use in this mobile app?
I will talk about how we teach our computer to recognize photos. We call this model training. First, we show the computer all the pictures we collected, and tell it the name of the animal or the plant. After a lot of practice, the computer will see and say that's a tree, this is a tree, or this bird, and the computer can recognize animals and plants.
Very good, Mustafa. If we summarize what our students said, we have 3 stages. First, we will collect data. Maybe we will collaborate with our partners from Tunisia, from Serbia, from Turkey to collect images, pictures from wildlife in Turkey, in Serbia. We will collect many pictures. Then we will go to the second stage, how we will use a simple tool in order to train our model. There is a tool called Personal Image Classifier created by MIT, which created the App Inventor. It's a very simple tool that can train a model in order to use it in App Inventor. Why we choose this project? Because first, it preserves our wildlife. Second, it teaches my students or our students how to use AI, artificial intelligence tools, in order in our projects, in order to preserve the wildlife. It's an easy to an easy to practice for our students to use these tools, because these tools doesn't use a text-based programming. It's a web-based tool that our students can use. Also, App Inventor is a block-based programming language. Students from 8-year-olds can use it, and also we can publish our app on the Android App Store, Play Store, in order to use our app in preserving and do an awareness about our our nature and wildlife. Here in Janduba, we have a beautiful nature, and we want to do some ecological tourism, to do some advertising for our nature here in Janduba, because here we have a lot of beautiful forests, a lot of diverse animals here. We want also we want to see the nature of Turkey. We want to see the nature and the wildlife in Turkey and also in Serbia, and to do an awareness about to preserve this wildlife. And we finished presenting the project, and we hope that we will collaborate with other schools from Tunisia and Turkey and Serbia to do this project. And Ms. Doha did a great job in planning and do the planification, how we can do together this project. And our students will learn how to integrate AI, artificial intelligence, in an easy to use app, and also an easy to develop app for our students.
Okay, thank you, Emel. So this is really great as a beginning to make awareness. So to create an app and just to upload really on an app store, on just to be available for all people or students all over the world, not only in Tunisia or Turkey or Serbia, our country, partners country. Okay, it will be just for all our students. Okay, all over the world. So I'm gonna just make it here the steps. So student.
The sound stops.
So the application, I want to just tell you about what we need really to teach the student, because they're not ready. I have, so my student and your students can create Android apps as they have in their curriculum, App Inventor. Okay. So, but other students, there is a younger and older than our student. So our partner, Tunisia, Turkey, and Serbia. So what's the solution? So what we will do is, first of all, to introduce the term machine learning. That's right, Emil, okay? As a computer science, we should help our partner and their student to understand the machine learning concept, AI machine learning concept. And after that, we can teach them collaboratively with code. As App Inventor, we can teach App Inventor with a different methods, as Gmail, as an email, or as a code, or offline or online. There is many types how to learn App Inventor. So we will have a workshop. We'll do a workshop for all students how to learn about App Inventor. It's very important. Okay. So now I want to just show, as you said, there is a tool to learn about machine learning. So now I want to move to code.org. So actually, we don't have enough time to have collaborative classroom, but I will send links, and I will add you through emails, your emails, that we can next time play, let's say play collaboratively. Okay, it's a platform. It's called, I want to share my screen. It's called code.org. So this is the platform. It's code.org. It's just a platform for coding for artificial intelligence. Is teach from kindergarten to high school. All grades it teach them how to understand the coding concept with visual programming. There is textual programming, machine learning, implies activities for young learners as kindergarten. Okay, so now I want to start to explain the concept. Okay, so next time we will play it. Okay, we will try it. But if we have enough time, we can do it. As your students have a computer, or my students with their mobile phone don't have enough time really. I don't know if there is enough time, but I want to try to explain the concept. Okay, so here, okay, I wanna do it in English, but we have all the languages. So that means Turkey can select Turkey, Arabic, Tunisian, with young learner with the primary or kindergarten, they can select Arabic. Okay, so and Serbian, they can select Serbian too. Okay, so this is a simple game that can teach the student the concept of machine learning easily. So here we will select, as you see. Okay, so I want to change to English. Okay, it's French, right? Okay. So it's allons on comprend. So it's French. So I will change to English. I will find all the languages here. Okay. Okay. So there is Arabic, there is Turkey, etc. Okay. So I want to move. Kamal, everything is clear here? Hello?
Yes, it's
Do you
clear.
hear me?
Yes, it's clear. Yes,
Okay.
we hear you.
So
Yes.
this is a game we wanna try next time to teach our student. Okay, even we have vacation soon, so they can answer through. I wanna send. I wanna just advise my partner to send links to their student. They can join us virtually for many workshops. First workshop will be about AI machine learning concept, and second workshop it will be. It's not one workshop. It will be many couples of workshops that can achieve that our students are able to create apps and be advanced in implementer. So here, the concept is to select to train the machine to know the fish picture. Okay, let's meet AI. AI does not know if an object is a fish or trash. So we continue here. The program AI uses the button to label an image as a trash or not fish. The training you provide will teach AI to recognize pattern on its own. Let's get started. Okay, this is a fish. Okay, this is a fish, right? Okay, I want to give a wrong instruction. Okay, this is a fish, right? This is not a fish. This is not a fish. Okay, every time in the game, so they remember me about the pollution all over the world. Okay, 17 billion pounds of plastic enter the ocean each year. So you are programming or training AI with each clicks keep going. Okay, so fish, not a fish. Okay, when I say here is a fish, okay, no, it's not a fish, but I want to do it in purpose here. Okay, Kamal, your student is watching me or no? No, Kamal, do you hear me?
Yes, we hear you. Yes.
Okay, so here the picture is not a fish, right? It's not a fish, right? I want to say is a fish. I want to train the machine in the wrong way, not the correct way. Okay, this is a fish. This is not fish. I want to give wrong instruction. Okay, this is a fish, and this is not a fish. Okay, continue on. Now let's see if AI knows what a fish looks like. Okay, I give wrong instruction. So actually, what I train the machine, it will respond. If I give wrong instruction, it will return to me a wrong instruction. If I give a right instruction, it will return to me a right instruction. So right now, AI will analyze a random set of objects and label them based on my training. Let's go. So battle, as you say, battle is it said AI learning machine say that the battle is a fish. As I gave it okay wrong instruction. Now I can return and repeat the game and give the right instruction. Okay. So someone can please command this. Okay. Command. Paula, Batul.
Yes.
Yes, please. What do you think about this game to show the student to learn student about the machine, the AI machine learning?
Yes, it's a good idea. It's a good idea for students, for example, 8-year-olds, 10-year-olds. It's a very good exercise. And for example, 12 years old and plus, we can use teachable machine from Google. It's a good also alternative to teach students, beginners in machine learning. I will create some videos in my YouTube channel to teach our group about AI that we can integrate it in App Inventor, for example, in using teachable machine and also using personal image classifier that all our students in the group can use this technology and create a small apps that can differentiate and classify images using image classification using teachable machine or exercise like you explained using code.org. It's a very good idea.
Batul, I see that your student is coming. There is no any one of you that can talk about the invention.
Yes, I agree. Codorg is very good idea because my students years 11 we use Codorg in workshop activity. Okay.
Yes, Batul, we will guide you as we are computer science. We will guide you through all the steps. Okay. So Kamel, I want to share with you the steps and just you can summarize the steps that student will do. Okay, in the next few weeks. Okay.
Yaklaşıyor, görünür mü burada? Ben çıkmayayım. Çok çocuklar görüyor. Hepsi farklı bir projesini anlatıyor.
So as there is many approach here on this project, that's PBL project, project-based learning, and investigation approach too. There is many approach, and the most important approach that we will discover in this project that we will design through these apps the project-based learning adventures. Okay, so we can visit the park, or just we can visit virtually. If we can't go in person to a park to take a real picture, we can just use the internet. So we will simplify the task for our student. No need to complicate it, okay? But we wish that we can afford for our student visit to parks to preserve animals, plants, nature, as we have in Janduba here. We have Ishkal. We have many places, okay, that we can visit, and we can have more information how to preserve our wildlife here, okay, our nature, okay, for future generation. So please, Kamal, go ahead. One of your students can present this, or can have a summarize of the project goals and what we need to learn or to teach our partner to start these apps, okay?
First of all, I will begin. Yes, I will begin by explaining in general how we want to create this app. For technical issues, no problem. I will do workshops online, and also I will provide videos in my YouTube channel that students from Tunisia, from Turkey, and from Serbia can follow this video. They will be very beginner video to teach our students how to use the tools that we will use in this project. Or and also we can do a workshop, a live workshop with teachers and also with students. This is for technical the the app inventor and also the AI tool that we will use. I will teach our students in all countries how we will use them in beginner friendly method using workshops and also on my YouTube channel. Like we said in previous presentation, first we will begin with the easiest stage, which is data collection. Any artificial intelligence needs data collection, needs data to create a model. For example, Mustafa, can you explain us what means collect data? How we will do this?
To collect data, we can, for example, search photos on Google channel or on Google search, or we can take photos, or we can ask people about to share their photos with us.
Okay, I have said, for example, to get a photo and images, we can use our phones, for example, to take pictures of trees and animals in our environment. For example, in Turkey, maybe some students already have images. They take photo of some animals, some trees, of the environment. Also, we can ask people that have pictures of animals and plants of the nature that we will collect all these pictures in order to use them to train our model. This is the first step. The first step, all our school can gather some data, some picture using phone or also using web search. Students can open a browser and search for plants.
Yeah, so it will be clear, Kamal. So that's for young students, they're not forced to work the programming part. Okay, it's our duty as we teach it curriculum. Okay, so the App Inventor is in our ninth grade curriculum. Okay, so
Yes.
now no need to complicate the task for our partner, especially for young student in primary.
Yes.
Primary grades. So they are responsible to take a picture, to collect image, videos, as you said, all the data, the necessary data of their countries. And it's our mission or duty, or my student, our student duty is to create the apps. And after that, at the end, we will help them as a teacher to upload these apps on the in public, and anyone can access and can download. Okay. So after that, we can have enough time to select or to create inventions after we achieve the first goal. It's awareness. Okay, that's clear. Thank you so much, Kamel, and thank you for your student. Okay, so now as we don't have enough time, yes, Kamel, please go ahead.
Ms.
Yes.
Duha, even the
Yes.
second stage, all students can do it. Even the second stage, after collecting picture, all students can do the second stage. Why? Because the second stage to create our model doesn't need any programming knowledge. It's a very simple tool. We will drag the photos in the model, then we will click a button train, and we have our model ready. The second stage, we will use a very simple tool called personal image classifier from MIT, which is beginner friendly. Even a student with 7 years old can use it. It's very easy. We provide picture to this website, and this web tool, will create the model for us. But the third stage needs a little bit of programming. The third stage, my students in Pioneer School are intelligent enough to create any programming task for this, and we will share it for other students. Okay, I will do a workshop also for the programming task. Maybe some students in Turkey or Serbia or from Tunisia can do the tasks also. But I am sure my students here in Pioneer School can do all the tasks of programming and explain it fluently, inshallah.
Yeah, thank you, Kamel. My student too in middle school here, Mustahais Middle School. So they can do it, of course, because it's curriculum and it's not really a big task for them. So, Batul, please, do you have any ideas? Okay, any intervention about with your student, please? Unmute your microphone, please, Batul. No, your student, please.
Yes, understand also. Okay, Jamia.
Okay, there is no one of your students can talk. Okay, want to talk about this? Okay, about your invention selected. If you want that I share the screen, that they can talk about the invention they are selected about. Okay.
Jamai.
This is your so this is the invention.
Jamai,
Okay.
1 minute. Jamai, we are in the in this field. Perhaps solar powered school backpack or element Newberry project. But I don't karar veremedik. We can't decide because two activity. So powered school backpack or yesterday I read in the WhatsApp I say Turkish language.
Yeah, that's fine. I wanna just stop sharing and you can talk Turkish, okay? We can see the transcription, yes, but you can talk Turkish.
Okay. Şimdi bir veya iki
proje arasında kararsız kaldık. Öğrencilerim başka bir proje daha öneriyor. Diyor ki mahallemizdeki çevre sorunlarına sürdürülebilir bir çözüm üretebiliriz. Farkındalık yaratabiliriz. Bunu teknolojiyle, Web2 araçlarıyla, Canva'yı kullanarak, Padlet'leri kullanarak mahallemizdeki insanları bilinçlendirmek istiyoruz diyorlar. Ve okulumuzdaki öğrencilere yönelik de bir oyun tasarlayalım. Materyal şeklinde bir oyun tasarlayarak çevresel sürdürülebilirlik için farkındalık oluşturalım diyorlar. Diğer çanta projesini çok mantıklı bulmadı benim öğrencilerim. Diğer bilgisayar öğretmenimizin söylediği bazı belki
Okay, but all is not really clear, but we can see the transcription, okay? So you have two ideas, okay? But we will not move to the invention before we start the application to make awareness and to teach our student about the concept, AI concept, machine learning, first of all. And secondly, we will teach them how to use App Inventor, how to create Android apps, okay? But we can, after that, that will be available for all students, not only in Tunisia, in Turkey, in Serbia, all over Europe and all over the world. They can download the apps, okay? That's very important. So your student, as a young student, they not really asked for programming part. They will only have to collect data, images, okay, animals and plants from Turkey, from your region, okay, from your specific region, not all Turkey. For example, if you are from Agua or Istanbul or whatever place, okay, you will select your hometown and you will focus on that only location, okay, to work on it. So now we will just introduce our student at the end. So please, every student introduce himself, okay, before we move to the end, and just prepare yourself for the next many workshops online on the vacation, okay? We just send the link and you will connect and you will have amazing journey of learning through this project with me and Mr. Kamel, as we will train you to many new AI concepts. Please, every student, we start with Kamel, because they finished the lesson. They should move to another class. Kamel, would you please introduce your students, okay? Everyone introduce himself, his name, his age, and his school, please. And his country, of course. Kamel, do you hear me?
herkes diyor ismini söylesin kendini.
Do you hear me, right?
Yes, yes, Duha. What is the question?
Yeah, I said just now, just as we will finish this meeting, please, every student introduce himself before we move, okay? And that's it. And we will just plan another workshop soon, inshallah, okay?
The sound is not clear now.
Everyone introduce himself. Every student introduce himself. We will close these meetings because my students have another class now, okay?
You want that my students present themselves and tasks, okay?
Yeah.
This is the question?
Names,
Okay.
names, age, school, and country. And that's it, okay? Yeah.
Okay. معناتها كل واحد يقول the goal and the country. تعرف بنفسك الجول. Okay, let's begin by Yasmin.
So, hi, my name is Yasmin Hermi, and I'm 14 years old from Tunisia.
Hello, I am Mohamed Ayabulemi. I am 13 years old and I am from Tunisia too.
You are studying in which school, please? In which school?
أعاود أقول school بالمدرسة.
I'm Yasmin Hermi, and I'm 14 years old. I study in Janduka Pioneer School from Tunisia. Mohammed Ayhan Boulehmi. I am Mohammed Ayhan Boulehmi. I am 13 years old. I study in Janduba Pioneer Prep School from Tunisia.
I am Hamza Samani. I am 13 years old, school boy. I study in Jadwa Pioneer Prep School, and I am from Tunisia.
Okay.
Yes, Shami,
Thank
can
you
you
so much.
introduce my
Now,
student?
Batul, please. Batul, your student, yes.
Okay.
Hey, my name is Evgen. I am Yeisot 20. I am Mustafa Bibi Scooter. Thank you. Hello, my name is Bishra Karakush. I'm years old. I'm 12 years old. My secondary school is Mustafa Bibi Ortaokul. Thank you. I am a Gamze Beyazıt. I am 12 years old.
Bir de ne çalışıyorsun onu söyle. Mesela çalıştığın konuları söyle, sevdiğin konuları.
I like I like maths and and Turkish. Hello, I am Zeynep Berra Eren.
Korkma.
12 years
12 years old.
ne diyeyim başka?
Sevdiğin şey söyle.
I like ne söyleyeyim? Good school.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Batul. Okay, nice to meet you, all of you. Khawla, please. Khawla. Okay, thank you, Khawla. Now it's my student turn. Yes. Raise your voice, please.
Hello, my name is Bibi. I'm student in Mustakhay.
Middle school. Yes.
Hello, my name is Edward. I'm student Hello, my name is Maram. I'm 20 years old. With the best and I live. Hello, my name is
Yes, Aida. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. See you inshallah soon. Okay. In another workshop. Okay. See you soon. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, that's clear. Did you hear my students come in? That's clear.